feeling her. It was so long of a torture. So long of a torture, so many days after day after day.
Right now at 5:30, did the system fail her? New information on the death of a little girl who prosecutors say was tortured. Good evening, I'm Christine Johnson.
Welcome back. I'm Jessica Moore. Emotions ran high today in a Suffolk County courtroom as 3 generations of the same family faced a judge, all accused in the shocking death of that 7-year-old girl.
Jor'Dynn Duncan had been placed in their Bayport home by court order. As Carolyn Gusoff reports, the courtroom was packed with heartbroken supporters of the child.
She always had a smile on her face, always happy.
Jor'Dynn Duncan's smile was on dozens of pink shirts as family and supporters packed the courtroom. They came seeking answers. How the 7-year-old was placed by a judge in the home of Emily Kelly, where prosecutors allege a year of torture led to her December death.
How could this child have all these things going on and nobody see it? You know, were they blind?
Prosecutors allege repeated abuse. The child tied up in a bathtub and videotaped. An autopsy documented more than 90 injuries. She missed 40 days of school. In each case, Kelly provided an excuse. Sources say school officials did not report and were not required to report her absences to authorities without suspicions of abuse.
The system failing her, it was so long of a torture. So long of a torture, so many days after day after day.
Jor'Dynn's mother had lost custody amid alleged drug use. Her father incarcerated. Sources say the child was placed with Kelly, the child's father's fiance, with his approval.
No kid should ever suffer the way my granddaughter suffered. CPS needs to answer. The schools need to answer.
Kelly, her mother Barbara Renner, and daughter Elisa Seymour are all charged. Kelly's accused of depraved indifference murder.
That requires cruel and wickedness. We don't think that this conduct of my client even comes close. The fact that she's charged along with her mother and her daughter is shocking to her.
One at a time, each woman stood silent in front of the judge. Cameras were not allowed after their attorneys argued that the public seeing them in jail clothing and handcuffed would harm their defense. The child's families compiled a legal team to investigate what went wrong.
Those who were assigned to protect her didn't.
For now, supporters are focused on the little girl who will never grow up.
We love her so much and we miss her.
And seeking justice. In Riverhead, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS News, New York.
Now, today's court date was about making sure both sides have exchanged the necessary information for preparing for the next phase of this case.